Charcoal face mask is the perfect for detoxing, deep cleansing your skin. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Metal can react to bentonite clay and reduce effectiveness. Add 20 grams of bentonite clay, 20 grams of kaolin clay, and 20 grams of activated charcoal. Stir gently until evenly blended. Pour in 10 grams of apricot kernel oil. Add 0.7 grams of lavender essential oil. Mix well to disperse the oils evenly through the powders. Stir in 5 tablespoons of vegetable glycerine for added hydration and to bind the mixture together. Store the face mask in an airtight jar. Keep away from humidity to prevent premature activation. And your face mask is ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes.